First of all, any equipment that you're getting in through your doors, you always clean it. So it comes out of a box, doesn't matter. It's the same. You're gonna wipe it down. So wipe it down, sanitize it, clean it. Now you need to season the griddle. With your mild steel griddles and the ribbed ones as well, they need to be seasoned. So the way I season it before, I'll bring it up to high heat, turn the heat down, I'll season it with salt, take the salt off, wash it, bring it up to the heat again, make sure it's absolutely dry in between, and then I'll do a layer of oil, and that's my griddle seasoned. To operate it, again, similar to your fryer, if you're using something, clean it. The more you clean it, the more often you clean it, the easier it is to clean right at the end, and also the longer you are prolonging the life of your unit. So during service, if you're frying an egg and the egg gets stuck, don't let the egg debris lay there forever. Try and get it off. Put it down the little drain on the bottom, scrape as much you can off and continue to cook. Don't let it fester over there. Again, always treat your products a little bit like you would do in a pan. If you're cooking something in a pan, heat your pan up, put your oil in, heat your oil up, and then you fry your item. So with a griddle, the griddle's already hot. So oil on, not too much, again, just enough. Oil hot, then put your product in. Because if you're going to put a cold product onto cold oil onto a hot griddle, it's going to stick. So there's a rule of thumb for you to let the items not be sticking.